some help getting ready for the FTCE School Counseling PK-12 test? That's exam code 018. My name is Elizabeth. I'm a college professor and a test prep expert for Study.com. In this video, we will walk through 4 practice questions covering the knowledge of counseling subtopic so that you're confident on test day. Let's dive in. Problem 1. In a counseling group, which of the following is the role of installation of hope? Is it A, to make clients feel good about themselves, B, to make clients believe that their problems can be solved, C, to encourage clients to take responsibility for their actions, or D, to instill a fear of failure in clients? Let's review what installation of hope is. It is actually used to help group members in counseling gain optimism from one another, so they're able to celebrate each other's successes and encourage perseverance to reach goals. So, keeping that in mind, we can cross off some of the wrong answers, such as A, to make clients feel good about themselves. This is great, and it may be a side effect of the installation of hope, but is not the primary role of this concept. Next, we'll cross off to encourage clients to take responsibility for their actions. Hope focuses more on fostering optimism rather than accountability. And we're definitely going to cross off to instill a fear of failure in clients because that is clearly counterproductive to the goals of counseling and group therapy. So that leaves us with our option, which is the correct answer, B, to make clients believe that their problems can be solved. Installation of hope in a counseling group is designed to give clients faith that their problems can be overcome. This collective sense of hope can act as a therapeutic tool and drive deeper personal growth for the client. Question 2. A school counselor is working with a student who has difficulty making decisions and constantly seeks approval from others. Which of the following counseling theories would be the most appropriate in this situation? Would it be A, Adlerian therapy, B, solution-focused therapy, C, family systems therapy, or D, cognitive behavioral therapy? Let's begin by eliminating some of the less helpful solutions here, starting with solution-focused therapy. We're not going to choose this one because this really focuses on setting specific goals or finding practical solutions to problems, and it wouldn't target the deeper issues of the student seeking approval or building self-esteem. Next, we can check off family systems therapy. Since the question does not mention any family problems, this approach would be less relevant. We would also check off cognitive behavioral therapy. Although it is a good option, cognitive behavioral therapy does focus on identifying or changing negative thought patterns and behaviors. And this might help the student challenge beliefs about approval, but we really do want to foster the student's social independence and raise their self-esteem. So that would lead us to choose A, Adlerian therapy. Adlerian therapy focuses on fostering independence, improving self-esteem. This approach would directly address the student's struggle with decision-making and need for approval. It would explore their feelings of self-worth and promote self-resilience. So the correct answer is A, Adlerian therapy. Problem 3. Which of the following counseling theories primarily focuses on altering negative thought patterns to improve mood and behavior? Would it be A, cognitive theory, B, psychoanalytic theory, C, choice theory, or D, behavioral theory? We need to make sure we are paying attention to the context clues in the question that tells us we're looking to alter negative thought patterns. So we can eliminate some of our choices here, starting with psychoanalytic theory. Psychoanalytic theory focuses on unconscious drives and conflicts, so that would not focus on changing any thought behaviors or correcting cognition. Next, we have to eliminate choice theory, because choice theory focuses on how people make choices to meet their basic needs, and it doesn't primarily target what we're looking for with the negative thought patterns here. And then we will also eliminate behavioral theory. since that focuses on shaping behavior through reinforcement and punishment or conditioning. It's not emphasizing the altering thought patterns that we need here. So the correct answer would be A, cognitive theory. Cognitive theory focuses on identifying and altering negative thought patterns. That way we can improve our behaviors and our emotions. Cognitive theory is directly associated with addressing irrational beliefs or thought distortions, and that's why it's the correct answer here. Problem 4. Which of the following is the most appropriate time for a school counselor to select a classroom guidance lesson as an intervention? Is it A, when a majority of students are struggling with the same issue? B, when a student is dealing with a personal trauma? C, when a student is dealing with a family crisis? Or D, when a small group of students needs intensive support? Notice that 3 options here focus on singling out one or just a few students, and let's eliminate those. We would not want to single out a student that is dealing with a personal trauma or a family crisis, and we do not want to single out just a few students that would need intensive support. So that leaves us with the correct answer, which is A. We would use a classroom guidance lesson as an intervention when a majority of students are struggling with the same issue. This is most effective when we would need to address something that is a problem that applies to most or all of the students, such as studying habits, emotional regulation, cyberbullying, or even self-care techniques. This approach allows the counselor to address the issue on a larger scale and provide strategies and resources that can benefit all students. I hope this video is helpful and you're feeling a little more comfortable with how to approach the test. For additional help on the FTCE School Counseling PK-12 test, check out our other videos in this channel. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also get a lot of help preparing for this and many other exams on the study.com website. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice questions just like the ones we went over. We would love to hear about your experiences, and if there are any other tests or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments. Be sure to come back and share your success once you've passed your test. Good luck and happy studying!